Sleep is very important for the human body, especially for developing ones such as mine. And if you don't get enough sleep, you will have migraines, you'll be sick, you'll be always tired, you might fucking die. So clearly it is very important to get a lot of sleep as much as you can. So, what if I made a robot that doesn't fucking let me sleep? Alright boys, so we have our script right here. Basically what it does is it sets a variable to a completely random number every 1 second. There's 2,000 possibilities, and if it lands on 420, which is the number I specified, it will turn one of the hands on, which is the hand that's gonna slap me awake. And if not, it's not gonna do nothing. But now that I'm done programming, I can move on to the building part, which I'm sure is gonna go great. Yes, I'm gonna use a knife. Yes, it's because I don't have a screwdriver. What of it?
Right, so I have this thing recording and the PC is also recording, so I'm gonna go to sleep and wait for that giant robot with a spatula to hit me in the face. It's definitely gonna be a lot of fun.
So this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if it was a bit shorter than usual, but I feel like if I add anything, it would just be boring and filler, so I didn't add it. And yeah, if you enjoyed my content, you can subscribe and watch some more. You can follow me on Twitter. You can join my subreddit if you want to bully me. And yeah, I'll see you next video, hopefully.